In this video, you will learn how to redeem a referral code in Cash App. To redeem a referral code, follow this step. First, open Cash App and launch the app on your phone. Then, go to the profile icon or account icon in the top left corner of the app. Find the referral code section, scroll down until you see an option such as Invite Friends or Enter a Referral Code. On some versions, you might find Invite Friend option. Then, enter the referral code. Tap on Enter Referral Code or Add Code. Type in the referral code you have received from someone else. Make sure it is entered exactly what was given to you. Confirm and redeem. After entering the code, tap Submit or Redeem to apply it. Once the code is accepted, you should see the referral bonus reflected in your account. Note that the referral bonus are credited after meeting certain conditions, such as making your first payment and adding funds to your Cash App account. Make a qualifying transaction. Some referral bonuses require you to complete a test transaction, such as sending or receiving money, to fully unlock the bonus. Follow any instruction that Cash App provides after applying the referral code. Check for confirmation. After redeeming the code, Cash App should notify you of your successful referral bonus or reward. You can also check Cash App balance to see if the referral bonus has been credited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.